Noah, I have a question. Noah, where are you? Right here. I just got in a job, and I wonder if I told you what the job was. Yes. I wanted to know if you would like it. Ouch. I got a job as someone solving mysteries around. You know, like those old cartoons you used to watch on Saturday mornings? Exactly. Boy, there were a lot of them, especially one that had to do with a talking cat. Let's get to the mystery I'm solving now. You could be my sidekick in crime. I don't know. What's the catch? Let's see. A baby Yeti one was solved due to someone and an old man and their dog named Ollie. Wait, don't you have a dog named Ollie? Yeah. You killed the baby Yeti? Well, duh. Look it up on YouTube. We recorded the whole situation. Also recorded a situation that has to do with a shark. Oh! So that's what broken jaws meant. Ha! Okay, so what's the one thing that you're trying to investigate now? It's a no-handed monster who steals motorcycles and stomps on them. Sure. Oh, and broke one of the keyboards to Max's piano. He's kind of going crazy. Where's my other keyboard key? Okay, I don't want Max to go crazy on us, otherwise he'll tackle everybody. Well, where did Max go? It's like he just came over. I don't know. It's not like he's creeping behind anyone or anything. Why'd you take it? Where were you on the night of dessert? Well, I'm actually solving mysteries now, so you don't have to ask that question. In fact, I should be asking it to you. Where were you on the night of dessert? I was going on a date. Zoom. Well, someone's a shy fella. Alright, okay, let's go investigate. Okay, so the footsteps we've been following is endless, and it goes all the way down there. And they're barely visible, but we got him. So those footsteps go all the way down there. And ever. It falls on forever. And ever. And ever. And ever. And ever. And it falls on for a very long time. A really long time. I mean, really long. A really, really, really long time. You got to climb up there, and you get to jump down there, and ever, and ever. That just leads back to us. Oh. Well, we can't just go all that way and make it just lead back to us. We gotta actually do something. We gotta, maybe in the middle of one, he crosses over somewhere. Besides, we can't go all that way. Like around this universe. We can't just go all that way. By the way, what is it about this universe thing? Like every giant house we're in is a universe. I don't get that. Well, that's a whole place, the kitchen. So it's hard to get out of that thing. Lego City's a whole different thing. Skype and Buddy just live in the rest of the house. And 2 dogs. And that's about it. And then the Wing Cheese lives in the kitchen. Okay, maybe if we follow the trail, then... Oh my god, it's a monster! Oh wait, he has no arms. I think we could... Yeah! Alright, we'll see who it really is! What is that? No way! It's a bunch of nuclear bombs. Oh, and a bunch of wires. Ow! It blew me up. The area's flaming. Look, its ground's even on fire. Yeah. Just flames fleet paint to the ground, didn't we? Yeah. Well, we solved the mystery. There's a bunch of TNT and animatronic wires that did it. Well, this is the worst mystery ever. Yeah. Let's go back to the city. Wow. Yesterday I got a fortune cookie before we solved our mystery, that giant prison with no prisoners in it that fall on your head. That's just a bunch of bombs. What was that? Probably it said X has to fall on your head. Otherwise, they'll do it again. It fell on my head, alright. Well, there's another mystery you have to solve. I'll solve it for you. It was him. Yoshi! Get him! I think that's a her. No, that's a he. Is that a he-she? Is that both? What is that? What is that dinosaur, anyway? You know... We're letting him get away. Without we're talking. Oh, yeah. Wait. Now here's another mystery on our hands. What? How'd the prison get here? It was him. Did he explode? No, it says on a note, Dear Wario. What? You call me Wario? I don't even see a note. What? Everything's happening to me that's weird. Ow, my face! It was all a dream? I'm not a private eye? No. Well, look at the screen. It's still in black and white. You're a private eye. You're just... What was your dream about? Oh, it's very well we both got hit the head with prison cells. Oh, yeah. Speaking of that, I have a fortune cookie a little similar to that. Some idiot in a shark costume will come up and a water bottle will fall on your face with water in it. That's just a bunch of luck. Hi. Great. Here's another mystery I have to solve. Oh wait, why is the screen still black and white? Okay, we get it. No. Why do we even watch these shows still? This isn't exactly a show. It's on YouTube. Well, yeah, but here's another mystery. You know, before you start more mysteries, we've got to end this video. Thanks for watching, random 2 people.